Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which financial watchdog praised India's efforts in asset recovery in November 2025? FATF. India's first household income survey was launched by which org? NSO. Which joint NASA-ISRO satellite became operational for Earth monitoring? NISAR. In QS Asia University Rankings 2026, which country overtook India? China. First Indian state to partner with Starlink for satellite internet in remote areas? Maharashtra. On 6 November, PM Modi greeted the nation on which major festival? Guru Nanak Jayanti. Who resigned as CEO of Birla Opus, effective December 2025? Rakshit Hargave. Delhi High Court ruled which international workers must contribute to EPF? All international workers. Major phase of which state's assembly election began on 6 November 2025? Bihar. Which public sector bank launched India's first green fixed deposit scheme in November 2025? SBI. In QS World University Rankings 2026, which Indian university ranked highest in Asia? IIT Bombay. Asian chip makers and euro markets fell due to risk in which sector? Semiconductor. India's solar module output to exceed what capacity by 2025? (125 gigawatts). Who was omitted from India's Asian Cup qualifier squad in November 2025? Chhetri. Which cricketer got wild card for Auckland Classic Tennis Tournament 2026? Venus Williams. Russia announced next gen of which strategic weapon? Nuclear-powered cruise missiles. Germany arrested 18 people in a raid targeting what crime? Online fraud. Recently sighted wildlife species in Maharashtra? Mouse deer. Which state launched 15-day education heritage program for Guru Tegh Bahadur's 350th martyrdom? Punjab. Which state did it conduct FEMA searches over human hair export? Nagaland. Ukrainian drones hit which country's key cities on 6 November? Russia. Which HC upheld biometric voter verification in poll disputes? Haryana. Who launched third-round PLI scheme for specialty steel in November 2025? H.D. Kumaraswamy. Which international body flagged US government shutdown effect on flights? FA. Which company aids Maharashtra with satellite internet? Starlink. Who greeted Odisha's maritime festival, Balyatra, on 6 November? Draupadi Murmu. Latest norms require Indian banks to use which global platform for asset recovery? FATF. What natural disaster disrupted UP Railways 6 November? Train derailment. Major European country requiring public data centers to use domestically made AI chips? China. Who led protests in Kolkata over voter exclusion in Sir? Mamata Banerjee. Which Indian state hosted the Global Millet Meet to boost millet exports in November 2025? Rajasthan. Who released Bihar polling data and clarified CEO stance on voter data? Bihar CEO. Which city schools shifted online due to air pollution on 6 November? Delhi. Railway Board opened new Vande Bharat routes between Bangalore, Hyderabad. Who reappointed as Chief of UN Climate Finance Negotiations for India? Bhupender Yadav. Capital infusion announced for RDI fund at ESTIC 2025? ₹1 lakh CR. India dropped to which position in QS Asia Rankings 2026? Second, who announced Russia's nuclear-powered missile project? Putin. Objective of India's first household income survey? Income distribution and inequality. Wildcard entry for Auckland Classic 2026 after tennis break? Venus Williams. NISAR to monitor Earth and ice every how many days, NASA ISRO? Twelve. Which Indian startup announced Martian soil simulant project for ISRO? Skyroot. Tech export fell sharply for India to US. What product? Solar modules. Which UN recognized India's anti-money laundering benchmarks? FATF. Which festival did President Murmu celebrate for Odisha's maritime history? Bal Yatra. Germany's November 2025 raids targeted? Online fraud. Who dropped by Indian football for Asian Cup qualifiers? S. Chhetri. Who built in Savitri, recently inducted in Navy? GRSE. New GDP reference base year for India being considered? (2021 to 22). RBI's new rule from November 2025, which bank type must enable digital nomination for FDRs? All types. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.